Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ma'am. My name is Janisa Happy with last NPM 120 from class R4B. Today, I want to tell you about honestly my experience about self-talk language learning through digital media for my assignment. Okay, next. Why are you interested in learning languages? I was interested in learning languages because I was motivated by people who have connections to foreign countries that can usually exchange experiences with each other just by languages. Besides that, there are many benefits like increasing intelligence and preventing Alzheimer in older age. What language would you like to learn? Include your reason. Okay. Honestly, based on my experience, okay? The language I want to learn specifically is English language because as an English education student, I feel obliged to be able to master English. Besides that, I'm also interested to be able to master German because after graduate in campus, I want to work in there. Okay. Question number 3. How do you practice language learning independently? My practice in self-taught language learning is done in many ways, such as utilizing digital media that is already widespread, one of which is easy to get is an ebook. Ebook like Kindle, and you can get that in Play Store. Ebook that learning to your language development, especially. And besides that, there are many language support applications like Duolingo or Elsa. And in this video, I want to tell you about Duolingo. Duolingo is a popular application who have many users in around the world. Okay, question number 4. Okay. What is digital media is most helpful for you in self-taught language learning? Digital media. Digital media that makes it easier for me to learn languages is Duolingo. Duolingo, I tell before, and Instagram. Duolingo itself is a very popular language support application. This application provides a variety of many languages. There are Arabic, Japanese, Korean, English, of course, German, Netherlands, and many more. It's all about 30 language you can learn in there. Besides that, learning in Duolingo does not feel boring because we learn like playing games. If you finish level 1 in Duolingo, you can next to level 2, level 3, and many more. Okay. From Duolingo, I use I use Instagram Instagram, I deliberately follow English literacy accounts that match my interests. So I feel that scrolling social media is not just a waste of time, but can be a useful activity. Okay, next question number 5. What are the advantages of learning a language independently? Advantages. Okay. The advantages of self-taught language learning through digital media include 3 points. I want to tell you advantages and disadvantages. 3 points. Okay, we can adjust our earning time. You can adjust your earning time about morning, evening, or many more. Okay, can design our own materials, not by curriculum, uh, not by curriculum you set from your master, and uh, learning independently. You can design just up yourself. Okay. Point 3, learning does not feel pressured and of course fun because there are not pressure from your teacher or many more. And question 6, what are the disadvantages of learning a language independently? Next to disadvantages, okay? And I want to tell 3 point disadvantages. Disadvantages: not getting material development from experts, from teacher. You're not getting by their curriculum. You just learning by yourself. Just up to you. Okay. Point two, not getting a curriculum that I explained before. That is adjusted by experts. Okay. Must continue to foster motivation until earning. Maybe it's so hard to practice because motivation comes by your mood, right? Okay. But is must to force your motivation until your success to master language you learn. Okay, the last question. What is key to your consistency in learning a language? The key to consistency in learning a language, first you have to interest in the language you want to learn. In addition to continuing to look for relevant content in learning the language, content can be found on social media like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and many more. So there is no obstacle to learning it. Research page. Oh yeah, next research page. The videos I have included here and this slide personally help me in learning languages, and they are approximately 70% effective in my language development. But now I not practice more. It makes me slowly to master language I learn. Okay, the last. Thank you for listening. I hope this video can be useful and motivated you to learn language many more. Okay, the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.